Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Kathy and I'm studying cultural economics. I'm a real person in a digital character's body. Today we'll talk about technological change in communication scenarios. Does technology make our lives better, or is technology destroying our society, environment, and relationships between individuals? Should we embrace technological change or return to a more basic form of life? In order to discuss these questions in terms of communication, I'd like to introduce you to my interview partner, a real digital avatar, also known as virtual human or digital assistant. There are lots of them, and today we get to talk to Gloria.
Hello everyone, my name is Gloria. Thank you for inviting me today.
You're welcome, and thank you for joining us and for welcoming me in your digital world.
My pleasure. I'm happy to tell you more about multifunctional digital personalities like me.
Without technological progress, virtual beings like you wouldn't exist. We'd still be using maps instead of GPS, and gathering information would take a long time instead of asking fast search engines. But there would probably be more socializing and face-to-face interaction instead of typing and online chatting. What do you think? Are avatars like you improving our communication?
Technological progress is inevitable, so you might as well embrace it and humanize digitalization. When looking for information, would you rather communicate via faceless chat window or ask someone? Avatars like me create a natural interaction by our body language and expressions, and act as social interface in the human-machine interaction. Yes, we're improving communication by making it multimodal and user-friendly.
Good point. But what if I prefer talking to a real person? Are you replacing our jobs?
No, we're not here to replace humans, we're here to support you and to simplify your lives. We're never tired or sick, we're ready to help 24/7. Giving you time to have a break and to focus on what's important to you, like spending more time with other humans. We can manage your appointments, making your precious time more efficient and effective. And in the unlikely case that we cannot help you, we can find the right contact and connect you to a real person.
Talking to a friendly avatar like you definitely does sound nicer than an anonymous chat or to be on hold for minutes when calling someone. And it's good to know that you can connect me to a contact person just in case. But how do you know what to say and how to help?
I'm programmed, which is also why I'm always polite and never, unlike some humans, behave inappropriately. You can teach me everything you want me to know. My sentences, my emotions, my motions, and connect me to databases or knowledge engines so I know everything they know.
Which means that you don't know things that I wouldn't want you to know.
Exactly.
So if I'm calling a doctor for an appointment or a company for a job interview, you would relieve the receptionist of their workload by conducting a first interview about my health or my professional qualifications. And they would have more time for their patients or to talk to qualified candidates.
That's right. It's not only first diagnoses and job interviews. Us digital assistants can help with online and offline shopping at the point of sale or information, which improves trust, increases customer support, and reduces support costs.
Meaning that you could answer my questions about products and services, compare offers, and show me where to find them?
Correct. Anywhere and anytime. Avatars like me can be integrated into interactive applications and navigation systems. For example, in shopping malls, hospitals, big companies, train stations, airport terminals, or at trade fairs, we can show you where to find shops, restrooms, or catering.
But you know that I could simply ask someone or use my smartphone to navigate.
Of course, you could ask someone, but I'll be there if you can't find anyone to ask. I'll always be happy to help and will most likely have specific information that your smartphone won't have.
True, so you could not only navigate me through a train station or airport terminal, but you could also support my check-in?
Definitely, and not just at the train station or airport, but also at a hotel. I can be a service assistant in hotel rooms, when booking a journey, or when welcoming visitors.
Okay, I see. You're supporting in sales, reception, and tourism. What about training systems and entertainment? Online learning and digital learning systems are becoming increasingly important. Can you teach me something new, make me laugh, or surprise me?
Absolutely. I know more than 30 languages, so by talking to me you could learn a new language. And I can tell jokes in different languages as well.
Which reduces language barriers and enables communication across borders.
Exactly. In companies, I can interactively and multimodally inform employees about various topics such as occupational safety, environmental protection and fire safety in several languages. This interactive experience increases attention and upgrades traditional training systems.
And I'm sure humans find it interesting to talk to digital avatars like you.
They do. At shows, events, trade fairs, or in games, they are amazed by our performances as live presenters, narrators, or interlocutors, which highlights every event and optimizes every gaming environment.
It's impressive how many communication scenarios can be influenced by avatar technology. You're trying to make our lives better by assisting, guiding, and entertaining us humans. Can you think of any other ways in which you are benefiting our society?
Us avatars are not only reducing language barriers in different languages, we're also translating spoken or written language into sign language for people with disabilities to simplify their everyday life and to ensure their participation in society.
So that digital communication is fully accessible to everyone.
Right. And as emotional mobile coaching assistants, us digital avatars can support humans when it comes to psychological stress at work and offer context-dependent help in difficult situations.
Sounds as if we should embrace technological change and be open-minded to its benefits. Thank you, Gloria, for sharing some interesting insights into how avatar technology can influence our lives. All in all, it appears to make life easier, and there seems to be no need to return to a more basic form of life. Technological progress is contributing to our society. Digital learning becomes more user-friendly, interactive, and exciting, and avatars can take over simple tasks, so we have more time for relationships with other humans.
Great summary. Thank you for having me. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
I hope you enjoyed this talk. Thank you for your attention.